So today I have the key fob to the 2025 Lexus LX 700H, and I'm going to take a moment to showcase how to swap out the battery in your key fob should it go bad. So first off, grab your key fob, locate on the back or the top side right here where it says push. You're going to be pushing that in while pulling on the bottom part where it would connect to your keychain. So do so at the same time, and it will release the manual key. Now you're going to use the tip of the manual key because it has kind of a bezeled edge, and you're going to insert it right here in the middle. Now you're going to twist up or down your preference, and you're basically going to be removing this button side portion. So twist up or down your preference. You can put that manual key to the side for the moment, and you have your key fob clamshell apart. You can put the bottom piece down for a moment, but you can see on the bottom right here is the battery. So you have the CR2032 battery. I will put a link in the description for the cheapest spot to get this battery, and that is Amazon. So you can just click that link, get you a couple of these should they go bad. If you need to get the battery out, just use your key for that same bezeled edge and just put it right here and kind of flick it out. It's a brand new key fob battery, so I don't have to do that. So just kind of imagine I put that in there. The one tip I do have is when you put your battery in, the side that doesn't have the writing on it, try not to touch that with the oils on your fingers because that can diminish the life of the battery, and you will be back watching this video to figure this out a lot faster than you should. So pretend I put that battery back in. You're going to clamshell everything back together. I always joke, try not to hit the red button. You're going to scare yourself or your neighbors or anybody near your car. Grab that manual key, slide it back in, and you are good to go. You do not need to code the key to your Lexus or anything like that. If any dealer is trying to tell you that so they can get an hour's labor out of you, they're lying to you. Your results may vary. Some dealers will do this for free, just to kind of like a freebie for customers. Some will, charge you a half-hour labor, some will charge you an hour labor. But in my opinion, if you can just get the battery from Amazon, do it at home, you don't have to worry about any of that, but you're good to go once you get to this step. Thanks for watching this video. If I helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Every little bit helps. Thanks for watching.